That was a weird one. We are going to be hiking up the highest point in Northern Europe, highest point in Norway, Sweden, Copenhagen, Finland, Iceland. We're both wearing shorts because
we're idiots.
We're idiots and we didn't come prepared. And we're assuming it's this way.
Well, this one goes more up.
It's going to be a highest hike we've ever done. Probably the biggest continuous hike we've ever done, either of us. And it's about 3 degrees Celsius apparently, 4 degrees. There's another split. I say we just keep going the most upright one.
Yeah.
Ooh.
It all comes together.
Ooh. We got our backpacks filled with ponchos, bivy bags, sleeping bags, tarps, a couple of biscuits, water, just in case worst comes to worst, you know, which isn't gonna happen.
Just go up it.
Starting to feel like this. Tallest point in Northern Europe. 2,456 meters, I think. T-shirt, shorts. It's still summer, but it doesn't feel like it. I think autumn comes early up here, up this far north. Furthest north we've ever been as well. So we decided to take everything off. We're in no t-shirts, cotton shorts, Nike trainers, and we're currently above a patch of snow. You see that glacier a bit better over in the next valley. But hopefully we get on top of here. What was that? Oh, this is steep. I think it's, my dad did some research, it says 5k, 23% average, 1,300 meters gain. Ooh. Yes, we are out here, baby. Snow. I reckon we should stay off this unless necessary. Don't want to get wet feet. We're probably about halfway, man. We just come across this, which is just so epic, and there's a very steep drop down here. We found another guy wearing shorts in that group. I'm gonna try and catch him. We've got the t-shirt on now because it was getting a bit chilly, and now we're getting pretty high. So I think we're almost to the top. It's kind of flattening out. A little bit more snow than usual.
Day in the life, man.
It's bright, it's kind of bright. We think we go over there. Oh, dude, we want to stay away from this edge. That actually looks fucking, I'm going way up here. That just looks like a sheer kind of curved edge down into that huge glacier. Huh?
The sheer curve.
This actually kind of feels dangerous now. Found this little icicle on this rock. It's about hand size. How cool is that? Hey there.
Hey guys, we're doing some Iceman things.
That's instant death, man. Oh. Look what we just came down. That looks crazy.
Get back up it.
I'm not sure. Oh man, soft snow feels so much nicer.
Look at that.
Hey Finn Jack, currently one of Northern Europe's highest people.
Very high.
Gonna be going back down off some Marie's. Uh-oh. Ah, doggo.
I brought myself here with a lot of effort.
Dude, it feels chilly, man.
Yeah, fucking go, dude.
Let's go, go, go. So we're currently coming down this ridge. Off to this side, I mean, you can walk on it, but like that's the start of a massive glacier going all the way down to the bottom of the valley. And down this side is like a 400-meter drop down there, sheer drop right on that edge there, down to another glacier. So we're kind of just threading the needle at the moment. That's the dudes with the dogs. What? No, you start picking up speed on this thing. Just slid down that on the poncho. We came over that, but I think we're going to take this less elevation, short, long cut. Oh fuck. Whoa! Under all these rocks is glacier melt, it sounds amazing. Legs are getting battered. Knees are hurting, feet are hurting. Ankles are hurting. Cankles are hurting. We're just coming down to this beautiful valley, glacial valley. This is a river made out of glacier runoff, and yeah, that's where we got to get back down to. My feet are feeling the pain, especially with this like huge rock bouldery thing, and also snow, which was super hard to walk on, especially with trainers. Almost down, and then we're gonna have some food, and then figure out what we're doing tonight, where we're gonna sleep.
Baked beans and biscuits.
But he wants to eat baked beans and biscuits. I want to eat cornflakes. Well, we're either gonna sleep in the car or we're gonna sleep outdoors. It depends.
Depends on the weather.
It just depends. So I temporarily lost the trail, but thanks to Strava, able to find it again. Look at all the beautiful colours. The reds, the other colours.